In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat support code SS06. If you're trying to log into a Snapchat account and getting this error support code SS06, then don't worry. Here's how you can fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. What's not to fix the problem, before you do anything, you need to know why this problem actually happens. This error commonly appears when you try to log into your account too many times. Snapchat actually detects that someone is actually trying to hack your account. That's why they temporarily banned your account from that specific device. So the best way to fix the problem is that you just need to wait some time. At least you need to wait 20 to 30 minutes, and after that try login to your account again. If you found that you still have the problem, then I recommend you to wait till the day and try login to your account to the next day. And once you do that, most likely a problem is going to be solved. But before that, you can try some of the basic things in order to fix your problem. What you can do from the home page, if you're using Wi-Fi, so I've done from the very top, if you're using the Wi-Fi, then switch your network to a cellular data connection. Or if you're still using the cellular data, then switch your network to a Wi-Fi connection. And right after that, you can uninstall the Snapchat application from your iPhone or Android phone and then reinstall it again and try logging to your account with a different network connection. And sometimes this might help you to fix your problem. If not, the best way to do it is just wait a day and log into your account tomorrow. And this is the only way to fix the problem. Hope you find it very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.